Hi all, welcome to Om Shritara. We're gonna see a flower remedy named chicory. Those the people who require to take chicory. Let's see what are the characteristics of a person that needs to take chicory. So chicory required person will always be a spendthrift. Spendthrift not throughout the month. As soon as they get the salary from day 1 till day 10, they'll spend like a king. I'm going to do this, I'm going to buy this, let me go this. Even if it's expensive, let me buy it. I need to enjoy my life. But after the 10th, when the money, the salary amount goes down, they'll start thinking about them. Oh, no, no, I'm not going to spend. I will do this, I will do that. But they will spend only for themselves. They won't spend for others. So they will spend only for themselves. They won't spend for others. Their happiness, their expenditure, it will be for themselves only. And another characteristic of chicory is they will look out for people who can spend on them. They will go out and expect them to spend, expect them to buy for them. These are chicory required people. And also, they will be selfish to get what they want. They don't even mind stamping others' feet and coming up in life, or stamping others' feet and getting what they want. So, even if it's your favorite thing, they don't even mind snatching you or hurting you. Hurting not literally mean physical hurting. They can say some sharp words and hurt you to the core, and then they'll just feel good about it. They don't even feel a bit, even an iota of sadness because they hurt you. They'll just keep going in their life. They don't even feel bad for what they did to you. So that's who needs chicory. Also, they'll be scared to stay alone, so they need some companion to get them to be with them, to get somebody else to be with them. They'll probably spend for them, not too much. Maybe they'll spend for their lunch, or they'll offer them a ride home, or they'll buy them a t-shirt or something like that, so that they can retain them with them, because they're not used to being alone. So these are chicory required people. If they take chicory maybe 3 times a day initially, and after that 2 times and 1 time, wean it off. If they take chicory 3 times initially, eventually what will happen is their hidden talent will be shown outside or seen by others. So naturally they'll become quite famous, or they'll be seen, they'll people look upon them, and money will be enough. So these negative characters will start dwindling down, will start coming down. So eventually they will be famous for what they are. If a person has a hidden talent, it will bring that out, and people will start liking them for that reason. And they won't be as miser as they are. They'll start spending little bit at least for others. So that chicory is gonna bring out the hidden talent of a person. So if you see a person who are based on these character, if you give them chicory, they will become quite famous, or they will outshine others with their own talent. So you can get chicory from your nearby homeopathic stores. Go ask for flower remedies and ask for chicory.